It might be hard to keep up with all the different cargoes in your book, perhaps a lack of visibility on where your vessels are, or forgetting when to declare your laycans and managing multiple fixtures in a messy Excel worksheet. The Charter ERP allows you to manage all your vessels and cargoes in one space effortlessly. You can create a freight or commodity contract quickly and get a full overview of the fixture terms, quantities, cargoes, available ports, and more. You can review each cargo individually as well and find the same relevant information along with vessel details, laycan ranges, etc. You're able to declare your laycans and narrow them at the click of a button, and the system helps you see the possible arrival windows as per contract. You can also get a reminder on key actions such as these laycan declarations or when to exercise your optional cargoes. Emails can be automatically sent to your counterparties or stakeholders for these important dates. The pairing section allows you to have a full view of all your forward freight fixtures and sales contracts where you'll be able to match the relevant sales shipment to the back-to-back freight contract. Now that we've seen how to streamline charting activities and contracts with Pharaday, we can deep dive into the ops aspects. When a vessel is assigned to a contract and the voyage has started, operations will receive hundreds of emails and updates on a daily basis sent by distribution lists, agents, and others. This causes delays and inefficiencies, making it impossible to follow ops without causing mistakes. Once your contract is settled, we have a user-friendly and clean module for tracking all the port calls, from loading, discharging, transshipments, maintenance, and more. You'll find all the relevant information here as well concerning the shipment and vessel details, like the AAS location, the contract, and milestones. All the documents are stored in the main page here for easy access, rather than having unorganized files on local storages. The milestones divide the works into easily organized steps where collaborators can send messages, documents, and pictures. They will only have access to what you choose for them to have. We also provide more granularity per milestone by tracking tasks such as NOR, BL signing, and of course, stoppages and breakdowns. All of these are editable to your team's liking in order to fit your needs. Finally, every team member has access to our AI feature that allows them to quickly find out any information without having to search for it in the module. This allows, for example, the commercial team to get any info they need immediately, whenever, without having to contact ops. Altogether, our Portcall Workspace provides a centralized space for your team to keep track of the ops and be better organized. Furthermore, the space is easily shared between colleagues and other parties, only needing an access link or shared by email to facilitate collaboration between every party, and it can also be shared on a per milestone basis if you want, for example, only your agents to work on the load ops. If you manage your own terminal activities, we also have a powerful lineup tool to see the berthing schedule and waiting times. The ops teams will have a high-level view of their terminals, waiting times, unloading rates when berthing is expected, clear ETAs, ETVs, etc. for the next leg of the voyage. Normally, all this information is spread out in distribution lists or email chains, but we have put it all in one module. All nominated vessels in the contract book can be added automatically in our lineup, and a Portcall Workspace can be created and attached to each vessel here to facilitate workflows. Furthermore, the lineup can be easily implemented both in private and public ports and terminals if connected to the port system or updated by agents or terminal managers. We can keep track of all the vessels going in and out of berth by providing their AIS data, along with important weather information for loading and discharge operations. The ops team can quickly set up their dock and berth configuration, assign vessels to them, their ETAs, cargoes, and more. You're able to easily insert and update all the relevant information for each cargo, like the ETA, the ship and ops contact details, and comments for the team to be aware of. With all this, your team can compare vessels to each other and be aware of any changes. The system also alerts you in case there are delayed propagations, especially for future vessels, allowing your team to be better informed and change their lay-can scheduling to avoid demurrage. Finally, once all the data is settled, you'll be able to review your efficiency with monthly and yearly reports and plan your schedules accordingly for more efficient planning.